ActiveCampaign CRM Honest Review, watch before using. Links to ActiveCampaign are in the description below if you're interested. Now let's dive straight into the key features, pros, and cons to help you decide whether this CRM is right for you. ActiveCampaign is a comprehensive customer experience automation platform designed for businesses that want to elevate their marketing and sales processes. What sets it apart is its powerful automation features. You can automate email campaigns, sales follow-ups, and even customer onboarding. This isn't just about sending emails. It's about personalized, targeted messaging at scale, which is crucial for growing businesses. It also integrates seamlessly with over 850 apps like Shopify, WordPress, and Salesforce, making it a solid choice for e-commerce, agencies, and B2B businesses that need to streamline processes across multiple platforms. The built-in CRM tool is robust, helping teams keep track of leads, nurture relationships, and close deals efficiently. ActiveCampaign's segmentation and tagging features allow you to create highly targeted campaigns based on customer behavior, which is a huge plus if you're serious about marketing. However, it's not the simplest CRM to set up if you're new to automation. There's a learning curve, and the wealth of features might overwhelm beginners. But the platform offers great support and training materials, including webinars, to get you up to speed quickly. In short, ActiveCampaign is best suited for small to mid-sized businesses that want to scale their customer interactions with intelligent automation and advanced CRM capabilities. If you're looking for simplicity, this might not be for you. But if you need a powerful tool to drive growth, it's worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It helps promote the video and ensures others can also benefit from honest reviews like this one.